Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam described about fig as fakulu minha fa innaha taqta'ul bawasira wa tanfa'u minal nakras. Eat it as it cures hemorrhoids, that is pious, and is useful in gout, that is joint pain, according to Surah At-Tin, ayat number 1. Watini was by the fig and the olive. In the Torah and the Bible, fig is mentioned in 49 different places. Hazrat Ali said, figs strengthen bones and grow hair. Imam Riza said, figs are useful in colic pain, that is, severe pain in the abdomen caused by obstruction in the intestines. By using figs, blood remains thin and it doesn't congeal in the blood vessels. It improves digestion and eliminates constipation. High blood pressure remains normal due to its use. For children's growth, eating figs are good, especially in winter. It is also good in cough and asthma. It saves a person from cancer and heart diseases and is useful for sugar patients. It is useful in throat inflammation, chest congestion, and lungs inflammation.